Hey everybody, what is going on? MP here, and in today's video we are going to be replacing the filler neck on a 1997 Dodge Ram. So the filler neck on this truck is rusted out. Oh, girl under here, yeah, you can see it's all rusted out and it's starting to leak where the metal meets the rubber. And we can't have that happening, so we're going to fix it. So the tools you'll need is flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a pry bar. And you want to start with taking off the fill cap and removing all 4 of these screws. They are all Phillips heads, which I've already started doing, so let's do it. Okay, once you got all 4 of those screws out, just take them and put them somewhere where you know they'll be safe. I'm going to put mine on the tailgate for now. And now we're going to crawl under the truck with our flathead screwdriver. And then there's going to be 2 release things. Right here you can see where the leak is. But there's going to be one here and one here. And they're flatheads. And they're rusted. So we're going to try our best to get them off. Alright, so they're not coming out too easily. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some PB Blaster on them. There we go. And let it sit for a couple of minutes. So we're back. I let the bolts soak in the WD-40 and it didn't want to come out still, so on to my next plan. I'm going to take these bolt cutters, cut the top piece in half, and then hopefully it'll just come off. Stay tuned. Alrighty, got first one off. So we're going to be using new ones anyways because these are just all rusty. I got some new ones in the truck. Now we got to get the other one. So that one is up right there. That's the tricky part. Then there we go, guys. It is off. Okay. So now, next step. Shimmy it all out of there, which I already did. And now we just got to pull it out of here. Now, just want to shake it. Yeah, you just want to shimmy it until it comes on out. There we go. And yeah. That's it. It was time to be changed. What do you think? Alright. So now we're going to go back here and grab the new one. Here it is. So, got this new one over at AutoZone for, I think it was $50. Fairly cheap. And just want to go make sure it's the right one. That it is. Actually it's a little longer. Well, should be fine. Okay. So first off, yeah, you're gonna want to just clean out around the inside of it, so that way you don't put any dirt in your fuel system. There you go. And then you're going to want to grab the new, going to grab your new clamps if you got them, or if you're using the same ones because yours wasn't rusted, good for you. But I got these for a couple dollars over at AutoZone. Put them on over before you put on your new one, like that. And now we can start putting this in. Okay. So you want to start out with putting this end in here. So I'm going to need to make sure it's nice and in there. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. So you want to make sure you get it aligned back in the hole like so, and then you guys are gonna shimmy it into place. Put your clamp there. Then I gotta go over there and work on this one. That's a piece of junk. Okay. Alright, so once you know you got it aligned right, shimmied in like so. It's just time to slide this up, tighten them, and then go up to the top and screw in those 4, put your gas cap back in, which I already did. So just gotta screw these in. If you're a flathead screwdriver that I gotta find. Hold on. Okay, get my screwdriver. I'm gonna screw her up. Alright, so you want to make sure they're nice and tight, which they are, so that way it doesn't leak from the hose. You want to make sure they're snug enough that it doesn't leak, but also not too snug because it can damage the rubber hose. I know I do got to replace this one before long because it is starting to decay a little bit. So once you're done with that, and you got this done, you want to make sure it's on right, and going to want to grab some gas, which I do have. Just grab some gas, pour it in. Pour it in like so, and then watch down there for leaks. Which I do not see. Crawl under here just to make sure. Nope, I don't see any leaks. So that means it has been done correctly. So it's a couple days later, I realized while editing the video I didn't make an outro. So, update on it. It's been doing alright. No leaks, no nothing. Nothing. It's an easy, quick replacement. Highly recommend doing it. Excuse the traffic. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. So if you did enjoy this video or find it helpful, make sure by letting me know by hitting that like button. And if you want to see more videos on my channel and of Old Green here, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for my next video. With that said, guys, I'm MP. Thanks for watching. Peace.